Hello guys, welcome back to another super simple guitar tutorials. Today we have a super easy and beautiful song which called Bellyache by Billie Eilish. For the basics of this song you need your guitar and standard tuning and you won't need a cable. Before we get to the tutorial section, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you found out this lesson helpful, hit the like button. So let's jump to the lesson. We are going to use just 3 shapes of chords for the entire song. So our general chord progression is C, A minor, and E minor for 2 I's. So let's learn this strumming pattern that we are going to use the entire song except the chorus part. Down, up, slap, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, slap, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. A slap is like down strum, but only difference is along down strum we are going to put our palm on the strings. Practice this as much as you need till you hear the mute sound of strings. So now again our strumming pattern: down, up, slap, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So with this strumming pattern our general chord progression will sound like this. So now we get to the chorus part. In the chorus part, the chords are the same because we have just one general chord progression for the entire song. But here we're going to use a new strumming pattern which goes like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. It's really easy. Now a little bit faster and our chorus will sound like this. That's it guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you later.